Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Capricorn placements. This is your reading about sa tao, no? Na sino ba ito na walang tigil sa kakaisip sa'yo? Let's see kung sino, and yes, let's see bakit. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? And sa mga naghahanap naman ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message and lumapit. And, diba? sa ating mga interesado dyan pagdating sa ating mga items, no? Okay, so ang ating Evil Eye protection. So ito yung ring. Okay? Ito yung ating bracelet sa mga bago dyan. Okay? Kaya kailangan nating i-flex ng i-flex everyday. Oo, kahit nakakapagod na. Pero yeah, So, ang ating Evil Eye bracelet, isang adjustable, isang garterized. So, yung adjustable natin is available in red strings po, no? Okay, this is made to order. Kung ito ang inyong want. Oo. Okay? So, ito yung may initial. Okay po, kasi ilalagay yung initial dyan. Okay, so, pagdating naman sa ating, meron pa pala, yung ating Evil Eye necklace. So, yung Evil Eye necklace natin is ganito. Okay, so, malit lang yung kanyang, pendant. So, pwede yung unisex. Okay, pwede sa unisex. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. So, ganyan siya. Sa malapitan, as you can see, meron siyang blue stone at the center. Okay, bakit ganun yung boses ko? Okay. So, sorry naman. So, yung atin namang para sa love, anything under the sun, diba? About love. Okay, so siya yung magfi-fix, siya yung magbibigay ng kulang, siya yung mag-aalis ng kailangang alisin. So, ito po yung ating love bracelet. This is 7 inches long. Mula dito sa lock at dito sa pagkakabitan. 7 inches. So, sukat-sukatin nyo na ang inyong mga wrist, no? Okay. Next is si Granter necklace. Okay, taga-grant ng mga minamanifest. Okay, taga-grant ng mga minamanifest ninyo and tagapagbigay ng mga surprises. Okay, so ito si Granter, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, 20 inches long ang chain. Okay, so pwedeng gumamit ng ibang chain kung gusto. This is unisex and again, this is made to order. Okay, so ganun yung kanyang pendant, harap at likod, pareho yan. So wala kayong makikitang ganitong design kasi ako po yung nag-customize. Okay, and yes, pagdating sa ating pang cord cut, so sa mga alam na ang cord cutting, yes, available po, no, ang ating pang cord cut. And yung iba na hindi pa alam about cord cut, ano bang meron, pag-aalis, pagkakat ng mga energy na nakakapit pa sa'yo. It's like cleansing. Parang ganyan. Maihahalin tulad natin sa cleansing itong si cord cut, pero mas okay. Kasi mayroon tinatanggal at ito yung magsisilbing harang. Okay? Doon sa mga tatanggalin. Okay? So, para rin hindi na makabalik. At kung mayroon pang mga gustong kumapit, para magsisilbing harang na. Parang mga ex, kunyari, mga ganyan, no? Para kang mamimiss, ganyan. So, kakapit yun. Hindi nyo alam yun, syempre. Kakapit yun. Gigising kayo sa umaga, bakit ganito? Parang ang sama ng pakiramdam ko. Wala naman akong sakit. Mga ganong bagay. Maapektuhan trabaho mo, maapektuhan schools mo, maapektuhan lahat. Gawain mo sa bahay, mga ganyan. Okay? So, yun po, So, kung may iba pang tanong, message na lang po, sa akin pong FB page para sa ibang details. So, let's start the reading for you, Capricorn. Okay, so sino ba itong tao na walang tigil sa kakaisip sa'yo? At bakit? Tingnan natin. Ha? So, isang energy hanggat maaari, no? Oo, para hindi, all over the place yung magiging reading. So, who is this person na nag-iisip sa'yo, Capricorn? Nang walang tigil, no? Anong meron sa kanya? Capricorn, anong meron sa kanya? Okay, one card. Unexpected income. Some of you, this person is always expecting something from you. Always expecting something. They're like begging and begging and begging. Somebody, kung makikita nyo to, okay? Parang meron ditong malayo yung status. Whether sa buhay, sa pamumuhay, okay? Somebody is pwedeng nasa itaas-taas and somebody is like nasa ibaba. Okay? Parang ganyan. So, makikita nyo rin naman, no, sa pananamit. There's this gap or difference in general sa inyong dalawa. Maybe age, maybe location, something like that. Maybe tradition, religion, something like that. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw, sinilang kang talagang may gintong kutsara, no? Ganon. Oo, pwedeng itong isa naman is hindi ganon. Ha? So, kunin lang kung anong sa tingin ninyo, yung pwede. Okay. Lagi na lang itong nag-e-expect sa'yo. Lagi na lang ikaw pwedeng diba? May binibigay ka ng may ibinibigay sa taong to, and yes, they need you. This person always needs you. Some of you, ikaw itong madalas magbigay sa kanya ng material na bagay. I don't know who's who. Pwedeng sila to, yung bigay ng bigay, and ikaw itong parang nakasahod. Anything, like, yeah, just fit lang, no, sa kung saan. Okay? Kung saan kayo magre-resonate. So, what's with this unexpected income? So, number 27 could be significant. The number 27. Anong meron dyan? Some of you, itong taong ito, may binigay kang sing-sing. Or something na mahalaga. Okay. What's with this unexpected income? 7 of Wands in reversed. Yeah, wala ditong wala ditong parang limit, no? Alam niyo yun, parang load dati, unlimited, hanggang ngayon. Parang unli. Oo. Feeling nitong taong ito, sabihin natin, you're always open for them. You're always available. Yeah. Some of you, yeah, there's this age gap. Yeah. Pages. So, maybe kung hindi man physically yung difference sa physical, pwedeng sa energies. Okay? Pwedeng sa energies. 7 of Wands in reversed. Four of Cups. Ooh. The one that got away. Somebody dito may na-ignore. Meron ditong natigil. Meron ditong natigil like pagbibigay. The connection may be natigil. That is why this person is always thinking of you. Parang ang laki nang nawala. Parang ang laki nang nawala sa kanya, Capricorn. Pwedeng water sign, pwedeng fire. Some of you, you can get unexpected income. Oo. Specific eh. Okay? 'Di ba? Pera pa rin, Capricorn. Ah, 'di ba? Gusto niyo 'yon. Oo naman, syempre. Babanggitin ko 'yon kasi nakikita naman natin dito. Oh, bakit kaya pa sabihin ni Madam na mayroong darating sa aming pera? Okay, sige, yun na. Oo. So, they're sad right now. Lalo na kung meron ditong itinigil ka or meron kang nilimitahan. Something na ginagawa mo sa kanya. Maybe sa pagiging available mo, sa pagiging present mo, may chance. So, let's see. Ano pang dahilan? Anong dahilan? Bakit ka palaging nasa isip? Ba't ka laging iniisip ng taong to, Capricorn? Bakit? Ah! May nangyari nga ang ending. Death. Ganon. Oo, ganon yung iyak. Ah, diba? They're sad sa nangyaring ending, sa nangyaring limit. Pagkakat, kung ano man. This could be Scorpio. Okay? Why death? Why death? Yeah, the Six of Pentacles. Natigil na. Natigil na yung pagbibigay. Anything, something about giving. Okay? Natigil. Gusto ko pa ng ganon, Capricorn. I need you. They reminisce everything. Yeah. Some of them, meron silang kailangang ipagpasorry. Hindi ko yun isasantabi. Meron, oh. Some of them, they really, really, really do miss you. They need you. Like, yeah. Super. They want your attention. They want you. Every particle, every atom of you. Every cell. Yes. Yeah, the Chariot in reverse. They can't move on without you. Alam mo yung parang hindi nila alam ang gagawin without you. Some of them, may pagtatampo ako nakikita sa kanila. Hindi ko alam bakit. May pagtatampo. Hindi ko malaman. Siguro, nagtatampo. Itong taong to kasi may nangyaring ang pagtigil. They're in their head. They're wondering. Paano na? Parang ganun. Paano na ako? Capricorn, paano na me? Parang ganun. Pwedeng Cancer yan. So, let's see. What is their emotion right now? Their emotion for you, Capricorn. What is their emotion? Aside sa malungkot talaga itong taong to, they want na magkaroon ng, sabihin nating, forgiveness sa situation. Crying over spilled milk. May naririnig akong ganun. So, what is their emotion deep, deep down for you? The Fool in reverse. They want to start over. The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Agad-agad. Yeah, Judgment in reverse. Agad-agad. Gusto ng taong to na magkaroon kayo ng, sabihin nating, mas magandang pwedeng sabihin nating chapter. Ang laki ng panghihinayang nito, Capricorn. Kung nakikita nyo lamang. Tingin nito nagmamatigas ka or sabihin nating hindi na ikaw yung dating kakilala niya. Ay! O, diba? Yun. Sa mga matatagal na nakikinig, nanonood sa Fias Tarot, yung sign na yon, yung tunog na yon, yung nagsisilbing sabihin nating nakikiayon sa atin si universe sa sinasabi ko. And that's true. For me, okay, that's my sign na totoo, nakikita kong energy about your person, about this person who is thinking of you. Yeah, tingin niya parang iba ka na. Tingin niya. Hindi na ikaw yung dating nakilala niya. Parang ang dami na nagbago agad sa'yo. Kasi ikaw itong marunong na mag-limit, ikaw itong marunong nang mag-pull away, ikaw itong marunong mag-step back from them. Maybe dati hindi mo ginagawa yun. You're open. Yeah, nakita naman natin the 7 of Wands in reverse. There's no tension. Like, free na free ka pagdating sa kanya. Now, may nangyaring pagtatampo sa kanya kasi pwedeng yun nga, meron kang nilimitahan or inend. Death is here. Ayaw nila ng changes, sa totoo lang. Pero, yeah, sana naman, parang okay, sige. Kung anong gusto mo, Capricorn, para lang maging okay tayo, gagawin ko. Ay, ganun. Alam nila kung anong mawawala sa kanila. Yeah. So, what is their next action? Their future action towards you, Capricorn? What is their future action? What is their future action? The King of Wands in reverse. What's with that? Yeah. Pagbalik. The 5 of Wands. This will cause drama. Sa totoo lang. This will cause drama. The 4 of Swords. Alam mo, Capricorn, sa totoo lang maraming gustong kumonek sa kanya. Ayaw niya. Wala akong pakialam sa mga gustong kumonek sa akin. Si Capricorn lang gusto ko. Capricorn! Asan ka na? Oo, ganun bagay ba? 'Di ba? Yes! With with matching tululuha. Hindi ko alam. Yeah. 7 of Cups in reverse. Some of them, they will try na kumunik kung kanino. Pero wala, ayoko talaga. Hindi ko kaya. Parang ganyan. Babalik talaga ako kay Capricorn. Hindi ko makita sa'yo yung gusto ko. Parang ganun Hindi ikaw si Capricorn. One more thing, Capricorn. Noong naging open ka sa kanya, naging available ka, na-reject ka ng taong ito. Not once, not twice. Okay? Not only once, not only twice, not only thrice. Now, may chance na na-realize ng taong to na ganun pala kalaki yung value mo. Nireject ka, maybe, na neglect ka ng taong to. Now they realize everything nang nawala ka. Yes. Anyway, let's see. Outcome/advice for you, Capricorn. The Ace of Cups. For me, Ace of Cups is the energy of healing, energy of focusing on yourself, on self-healing, self-care, something like that. What's with that Ace of Cups? Forgiveness. Okay. Anong meron dyan? Yeah, let's clarify. The 5 of Cups. Regretting over spilled milk. Crying over spilled milk, I mean. So, sinasabi rito na let them know kung ano ang sinayang nila. Let them know. Hindi sinasabi na ipakita mo sa kanya na meron kang ganto, ganyan. Okay? Let them know na you're happy. Na mas okay ka. Ngayong wala siya. Oh my God. This is so kawawa, the person. Yes. Yeah, the Queen of Wands. The Queen of Wands. Being independent, being beautiful, pogi, no, anything, any gender. Being independent, being happy. Sabihin nating mas nagiging okay yung status mo. Yeah, self-love. And let them regret everything. Some of them, kailangan nila to grow. Kailangan nila to grow. Wala po ditong inia-advise na makipagbalikan ka. Kahit sabihin natin itong taong to, hindi siya magle-let go sa energy mo. Okay? Ang nakikita ko sa kanila, babalik sila sa'yo na wala namang pagbabago eh. Sa totoo lang. Kahit sabihin natin na nakita ko na, okay, gagawin ko everything. But no, nakita ko dito sa next action, sa future action niya, nakabaliktad si King. Meaning, wala pa rin. They will act like a page for me. They will just act as a kid, like a kid. Okay? Kung anong nakagisnan niya sa'yo, yun pa rin siya. Let them grow. Okay? Let them learn from their past mistakes. Okay? So, there. O, diba? So, sabay ganun din, no? Okay? So, again, number 27 could be significant. So, let's see. Ano bang meron pagdating sa all signs? Aries through Pisces for Capricorn placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, mga Capricorn. Appreciate you all. Okay. Aries through Pisces, the zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Let's see. Iba dito, sabihin natin kung hindi nakaka-resonate sa reading, dito nakaka-resonate sa all signs. Chine-check kung ano ba yung feelings, emotion, parang ganon. Okay? So, Aries, they like you, they're attracted. Taurus, may chance na hindi niya pinapakita na they like you, pero they like you. Okay? Gemini, they're not sincere. Some of them, they're self-centered. Cancer, they want progress. They still want you. They like you. Okay? You're their, parang other half. Okay? Parang ganyan. They need you. They need your care. They need your comfort. Leo, they want you back. They want you back. Virgo, no effort. Okay? It's like they're not paying attention. They're just like neglecting or rejecting you. I don't know why. Libra, some of them, their option is open. They have option to choose from, mga ganong bagay. Okay. Scorpio, they want a long-term connection with you. They want to have family with you, to have kids with you, to grow old with you. Yeah. Sag, they're like tired na of the on and off. Okay, some of you, this Sagittarius wants you physically. Okay, some of them, they're thinking of you sexually. Capricorn, they're balanced. Some of them, they're waiting for you, patiently waiting. Aquarius. They want answers. They want clarity. They want to see you, some of them. Eye to eye. Pisces. There's this ending. Some of them, they're healing over this, over you. Okay? Yeah, the Emperor. So, it's like stepping up. May nagbabago na kay Pisces, I think. Okay? So, there. Yun ang aking reading for you. Capricorn placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our every page. Thank you. Bye.